Hello all, communication plays a very crucial role in any field, right? IoT especially is mainly dependent on the communication itself. Whether the communication could be between the sensor and the device that is capturing the sensor data, or from device to gateway or gateway to the cloud, whatever be the connectivity that we see, it needs some means of communication, and this communication is a very important part. And for this communication to happen, the devices that are communicating, or the sensors that are communicating, or the gateways that are communicating needs some understanding between them, right? That understanding is achieved by using protocols, so that one device communicating with other speaks in the same language, right? That is why we need a protocol, correct? So in IoT, broadly at a very top level, if we talk, these protocols can be classified into two types. One is basically a data protocol. So data protocol is nothing but the protocol that is used to communicate the data. Like example, if you want to transmit data from one device to the another, what kind of message formatting that you are following is defined by the data protocol. And second one is network protocol, or basically we can call it in simple connectivity protocol, or means of connectivity, right? So these two play a very crucial role in the entire IoT chain. So if we talk about what are all the data protocols that are used in IoT, one of the important protocol that is used is mqtt. You go to any guy who is working on IoT, the first thing he says, I'm using mqtt to communicate from my device. Whatever the sensor data that is captured is communicated to the server, or to the gateway using the mqtt. Okay, so and then other than that, http, amqp, COAP, XMPP, SOAP, REST are some of the other data protocols. We will talk about these particular data protocols in the other videos. Okay, and then as we said, we need some medium or some network basically to connect between the devices, and mostly the current trend of internet of things devices use wireless connectivity protocols. So for these wireless connectivity protocols are there are many of them, and especially Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are predominantly used, but again, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth have their own constraints, right? So considering the constraints, which we will talk about these network protocol comparisons later, considering the constraints which Wi-Fi, Bluetooth have, there are other protocols that are available, or other network connectivity options that are available, like Zigbee, or Z-Wave, or LoRa, or NB-IoT, or NFC, Thread, RFID. All these are various connectivity options that are available. So if you are jumping into working on IoT, you need to know about all these, and should have a basic idea of how all these work, so that you can design or you can work on a IoT device. We will explore about all this in the coming videos. Thank you.